Just following up, this is what we see right now. A few minutes later, this is still pending. Yes, I'm not sure if the testnet is very, very different than the real net. It probably is. And if we look at the history in a block explorer, it says 1 of 6 confirmations. So that means it's working on something. And let's just go back here and look at this little interface here. So it is working on it, but the question still remains, how does this work in the real world, right? Oh, your payment was successful. It has reached the payee. So let's see if something else happened. Well, that was cool that it was recorded. Let's see if this thing shows more than... It still shows only 1 confirmation, which is interesting, right? This is all up in the air because I guess people want to pay things. And is this open for scammers? It seems as if this is just yet another way of scamming. I guess a little more... The existing credit card system has practically 3%, has I think less than 1% is just pure fraud, right? So if we can reduce the fraud with chips and secure elements and all kinds of security, because right now what we're doing is we're using the secure element and NFC, near field communication and all that to protect a credit card system that is broken. So let's rethink the credit card system. That's what I hope this is doing. All right. And so what we can do now is we saw the successful of the payee, and we can go back to the store itself. So let's see what the store sees. If we go over here and see what the store sees. So here is the store, the invoices. That's the previous one that I was looking at. Let's just see if I can go back to the dashboard. It's showing paid invoices in the last 2 days. I don't remember any invoice, but I guess that's... And it does show 16 minutes ago. So there you go. There it is, 16 minutes ago. This morning, 35 minutes ago. Yeah. I guess I did 3 transactions. Let's just see. Yeah, no, this was yesterday probably. Yeah, this one and this one I believe failed completely. This one. What is it showing here? Settled. Okay, so recent invoices. So I think it might be easier to look at it from here. This one settled. This one expired. This one here expired, $1.20. Yes. And then this one expired, paid late. So it doesn't even make sense. Why would it say expired, paid late? Because it was paid. It was just paid late. But I guess it means it went beyond the window. Anyway, let's just see. Okay, so if I say... And let me just look at this one more time. Expired, paid late. The expiration date, settle monitoring date. Monitoring date. What in the world? I guess it'll monitor it for a whole nother 24 hours? I don't know. And yeah, so it looks like that window is bigger than 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Is it? No, it's more than 10 minutes, but not more than 20 minutes. All right, so let's go back to the other one that just happened. The one that settled. Let's see how that one... So that one was 15 minutes. So I guess I'm not sure how this thing is deciding all these things, but it definitely worked. And here I guess it'll show, yep, marked as settled, was paid after expiration. So this is the future merchants, it appears. Okay, peace out.